Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove comments column in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document and take a paragraph. And we added some comments in this paragraph, and we can see here this comment. Now we want to remove a comments column. Click the comments and go to the review menu, then find and select the deletes option, and we can see here we remove a column comments very easily. You apply this process in another comments. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.